Hello everybody, how are you all, and welcome to all about Tron channel. Guys, today I am very excited to announce you a new project called Supertron100. Guys, Supertron100 has been launched today, so hurry up and join now, and I will talk now how to register and how Supertron100 work. First of all, I am using a laptop, so I will open my TronLink Pro extension that I added on my Google Chrome to join this Supertron. Now, before join the TronLink, first of all, if you want to register via laptop, you should add TronLink extension in your Google Chrome that you can get it by searching, or you can get it by tronlink.com. You can add this extension. If you're using a phone call, you need to download any wallet. I suggest Clever Wallet for telephones. So when you download the Clever, you should fund it with 146 Tron at least for registration. It will cost 100 for registration and 46 Tron as a fees and less. And open the link that I will put on the description on this video. Now I will log in to my TronLink Pro. My password is wrong. So after that, see how much I have in my wallet before joining. I will refresh and we will check. I have 3,761 Tron just from Supertron. Now let's go to Supertron. The link is, don't worry, I will put the link in the description. When you register, okay, you press on register here, okay, but as I am I registered already, so I press on automatic login. Okay, it will say welcome to Supertron100 Smart Contract. Okay, guys, be sure first of all to register under the ID 4. Okay, my ID is 4. I have only 15 directs, which is I refer, which they take my link, and it will be shown in the SRT1 structure. Okay, it has this active slot, and I earn from my direct referral 1,400 Tron just from my direct who I referred. But see in the double matrix SR2 structure, here is the passive income. I earned 2,250 without doing anything, just for those who work. So however you work, however you will earn. So hurry up guys and join Supertron 100. And don't forget, if you need any questions, I am here for answer any question you want, and I will put my Telegram group and my WhatsApp group. Okay, goodbye for now, and don't miss this opportunity of earning and join Supertron 100 now.